Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is my first tutorial video, hope you like it. Want this? So, let's get started. So first, set your clips to the beat of the song, like this. Add a keyframe at the beginning and another at the end of the clip. Do the process with all clips. Zoom in on the last keyframe, making sure the character stays in the center. Repeat the process with all clips. Now, go back to the first clip and go to Speed, Curve, Preset, and choose the third one. Now, duplicate the clip and reverse it. After that, go back to Speed, open Curve, and select the second preset. Go back to the first clip, choose Ease, apply the sixth one, then select the second clip, apply the fifth one. Now, repeat the process with all clips. Next, go to PIP and select Overlay, which I'll show at the end of the video. Set its duration to 0.5 seconds. Resize the overlay to full screen. Then add a keyframe at the beginning and another at the end. On the first keyframe, go to Blend, select Overlay, and set it to 65. On the last keyframe, change the overlay blend to 35. Now go to Animation, select Fade Out, and set it to 0.5 seconds. Finally, duplicate this overlay and apply it to every single clip. Now, export this video at 60 frames per second. Once done, go back to the same project, tap the plus icon, and import the exported video. Now, cut the video exactly the way I am doing it. Now, tap the plus icon again and add a blank black screen. Trim it exactly where the sound ends. Next, tap on the transition icon in the middle, apply the transition exactly the way I am doing it, and set its duration to 0.5 seconds. Now, go to PIP again and select your name title, Overlay. After that, go to Blend, choose the Dodge option, and set it to 70%. Finally, stretch the overlay to cover the entire video. Now go to Filters, find Lunar, and pick the third one. Set it to 30% and apply it to all clips except the first one. Finally, export the video at 60 frames per second for smooth quality. Here's the result. Let me know in the comments how you liked it. Since this is my very first video, if I made any mistakes, please just ignore them this time. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't just watch and leave. Show some love and subscribe to help me complete 6,000 subscribers. Seriously, don't be stingy. Hit that button right now. Thank you so much for watching. Drop your feedback below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Here is the overlay. Now don't steal it without subscribing, okay? Screenshot now.